Waiting for daddy. Who are you? Where is my mommy? Where is my daddy? Give for daddy.
Eat your food. You make food. Or you're going to make a cup.
We'll make on daddy. Daddy will eat with me. Go on the forehead.
Hello.
Hello.
Keep there.
I'm good.
Keep it on the hand. There, on the finger. Keep biting. Where is my baby? Where
Why is this food time or what? You scream. Why you are screaming?
It's okay, Sophie. It's okay. It's not oh. It's fine. It's fine. Strong Sophie.
Keep
She
it
touched?
Oh yeah.
Keep it there. Keep it there.
The big. Mama. Don't be scared. It's a baby bird.
The baby, like you.
This one is funny.
Like both of them.
See? You're both wearing yellow.
Keep there. Keep there. Keep there. See.
Ouch.
What?
Eardrum.
See eating. See eating.
Give baby. Give lips.
Keep like this.
Don't bite the hand, bite the booty.
Give vegetable. Your hair. What is the ponytail?
When? Eat food. Eat your food. Eat your food.
Eat the food.
She's so
Yeah!
small. She's so small, baby.
Eat.
So small. So cute. Don't shake, Maria. Just keep like that only.
Eat your food, Sophia
They're
said.
eating.
3 weeks.
Mommy, eat. I want to eat it. Mommy, eat it with that tape.
Wonderful.
Eat for the bird.
Oh,
Okay.
it's alive at the moment.
Food. Okay, take.
Then it's good, right?
Cool.
I can see you. Is it food
The
again?
baby pet. Hi.
It's like, what is that? What is
Wow.
that? Nice.
Where is mommy?
Mommy,